Okay? So, tapos na tayo sa isang function, which is yung insert array. So, pwede nyo pindutin tong maliit na minimize button para mawala yung or ma-minimize siya. Next, gagawa tayo ng void. Delete array naman. So, delete array. So, magde-declare ulit tayo ng variable. So, int array 100 position, counter, and number of array. Oops. Yan. So, printf. So, copyhin lang natin yun dito para hindi na tayo mahirapan. Yan. So, dito na siya. So, since pareho lang naman yung ginagawa niya na functionalities, is copyhin na lang natin yung nandun sa taas. So, enter number of elements. So, nasa na yun? So, pareho lang siya, number of elements. So, pati itong counter. So, ayusin na lang natin yung coding. Yan. So, scanf array counter. So, next is the main functionality nung function na to is to printf. Enter the location where you want to delete the element. Yan. And then, syempre, kailangan natin yung position. So, scanf %d, comma, and position. So, gagawa tayo ng if statement na kapag hindi siya kasama or out of bounds siya na tinatawag or in exception siya na wala siya sa indexes or indices, may lalabas na it is not possible to delete or index does not exist. So, if statement yon. So, position is greater than or equal to array, number of arrays, and then plus 1 because yung tulad ng logic kanina, array start with 0, etc., etc., things like that. So, kapag daw nangyari yan, so we need to print f, deletion is not possible, or index does not exist. So, else, so dito natin gagawin yung logic. So, for counter equals position minus 1, so counter less than number of arrays, minus 1 pa din, counter plus plus. Yan. So, saan to? Dito to. So, array index counter equals array counter plus 1. So, same logic. Dadagdagan. And then, after this, so, we need to print the result. So, parang yung nasa taas lang din kanina. So, printf result is backslash n tayo. Yan. Excuse me. So, lagyan tayong for loop. Counter equals 0. Counter less than equal to number of array minus 1. Counter plus plus. Printf %d backslash n array. Siyempre, kakount lang natin yung nangyari. Or yung bagong last set ng array na i-declare natin. So, to recap, so nandito yung hihingi tayo ng inputs, and then dito yon, and then pag delete natin si kung saan location na i-delete, and then pag out of bounds siya, exception, so lalabas to, and then else i-delete niya yung array using this functionality. So kailangan daw i-declare natin is array counter plus 1, so mababawasan naman ngayon yung number of arrays. So kanina sa taas nagdagdag tayo, dito mababawasan using this particular routine. So counter equals position minus 1, and then counter equals or less than number of arrays minus 1. So array index counter equals counter plus 1. So try natin. So i-call natin yung function. So delete array. Oops, may error. So position na naman. Position less than great number of arrays. Position. Ang spelling, ano? Number of arrays. Lo, comma. Yan. So, enter number of elements. So, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, index number 3. So, oops. May error tayo sa result. Hindi dapat ganyan yan. So, let's try to debug this first. So, number of position. Tama naman. For counter, equals 0. Counter less than number of arrays. Counter plus plus. %d. And array. Position. Tama naman. So, if deletion is not exist, suppose counter equals position minus 1. Counter number of arrays minus 1. Counter plus plus. Array counter equals array counter plus 1. Equals 0. Counter number of arrays. Counter plus plus. Tama naman siya. Bakit siya nagkaganon? Number of array. Tatayin natin ulit. So, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. Oh, nag-display pa rin siya. Let's see. Let's debug this. So, else. Okay, so nahiwalay ito. So, dapat 4. Dapat kasama siya sa buong else statement. 5. So, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3. Oops, may mali pa din. So, dito siya nagkakamali. Array counter equals array counter plus 1. Counter plus plus. Position minus 1. Tama naman. Counter equals position. And position. Array counter. Number of arrays. Napahirapan ako nito Tama naman yung logic. If. Tama. Else. 4. Counter plus 1. Number of arrays. Counter plus plus. Tama naman din. So, if you're wondering, yung sa for developer na setup, halos ganito lang din araw-araw. Finding bugs. Sa tingin mo, tama naman yung logic mo. And then, pagdating sa production, kakaroon ng error. So, yun. Hindi na mahanap yung error. Naman. Position greater than number of arrays plus 1 if else 4. Counter plus plus. Ala. Bakit nagkandaletse-letse na? Testing ulit. So, enter number of arrays. 5. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. You want to delete? Okay. Gets ko na. I-delete pala yung 5, 10, 20, 30, 40, 53. Yun. So, tama naman pala. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nawala si... Oops. Ba't tumoble yung 50. So, tama naman. Yun nga lang. Dumodoble siya. Delete array. Result. Array counter. 5, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. 50. Oops. 3. Delete natin 3. Oops, ba't sumasobra ng isa? Position -1.